Hey guys, it's Lam here again, your tech guide. So today we are going to be doing another screen display comparison test with the S10 Plus versus the 6T. This time, due to viewers' demand, I'm going to be doing a screen display brightness test or load test in the dark. Since we use our devices during the nighttime, we do want our screen display to be at the lowest settings so that we don't damage our eyes when we are watching videos or doing things on our devices. So we're gonna see what kind of test result we're gonna get out of these devices when we have the screen display brightness set to the lowest settings. So we've got the 6T here on my left and the S10 Plus on my right. They are both on manual mode settings right now, the brightness. So we're gonna try to reduce it to the minimum brightness. But before we do that, we're gonna turn off the lights so that we will get that nice effect of watching our devices at nighttime. So I'm gonna turn off my other light here as well. All right. So it is complete darkness in my room right now. So let's grab our digital meter here. I don't know if you guys could, oh boy, okay. So now we can't see the digital meter. It sucks, it doesn't have any light on this. So anyways, we'll use one of the device as a light for the digital meter here. I don't know if you guys could see that, the reading. Okay, so that's not gonna work. Okay, so let me just grab my other phone right now. I'm gonna try to reflect a light there, like so that we could read it at least. And at the same time, okay, so I hope you guys could read that. And at the same time, we're gonna reduce the settings to the S10 Plus here. Lowest screen display brightness. All right, so let's move the 6T to the right and let's see what kind of reading we're gonna get here. So it might be a little bit hard here for me guys, but we'll manage to do this. So here we go, this is the lowest setting. Okay, this might be a little bit difficult to do. All right, so here we go. I'm just gonna, okay, so let's just pretend this is the lamp. We have a lamp here or something. You know what? Let's turn this on, guys. Let's turn on my light up here. Okay, so at least we're getting all the lights on the screen display. My digital lux meter here. So I'm just gonna roam around here, scroll around on the screen on the S10 Plus. As you can see, we are only reading 001. So that is quite low, guys. Quite low. All right. 001, and then I noticed there was 002. Okay. Now let's check out the S10 and 6T. Let's reduce it to the lowest settings. This is manual once again. Okay, 001. All right, 001. 002 there. Okay, so now let's view it side by side. So looking at the camera monitor here, guys, to be honest, you guys wouldn't tell the screen display brightness based on just me watching it on my camera monitor. It looks very difficult, but if I'm just looking at directly on my device, like straight looking at the device with my own eyes, I do notice that they are both pretty dim, guys. So this is perfect for using it at nighttime, waking up early in the morning to check for messages or anything like that. It will not brighten or damage your eyes when you are viewing things on your devices. Of course, if we do move it up a bit, a little notch here. Okay, we'll just move it move it a little bit, the bar, like so. Okay, they're somewhat equal distance there. So now you can view it more. As you can see right there, now I do notice it on my camera monitor that you can actually view it, but in real life I can view it much clearer with my own eyes, just looking at directly. And we could again check out the brightness or the dimness, what you can get out of it. So this is the 6T. So as you can see, we're getting 002, 03, 01. Okay, so it's nice and dim so that it doesn't damage your eye. Okay, hold on here, guys. So as you can see, the S10 Plus here is showing around 0.004, 006, 07. So it's a little bit brighter on the S10 Plus, but again, you can always adjust the display brightness. So now let's go set it to automatic. Okay, let me just go to automatic, adaptive. Okay, so straight right away it went to 50% once I pressed adaptive. So you can see here, boom. Okay, let's see with the 6T what's gonna happen once I press the screen display. Okay, that's all the way up. Once I press the adaptive, it goes down by 80%. So do it again. Boom. Oh, not that much. Okay, let's do it again. So that's kind of weird. All right, so there you go. It's roughly around 70%. So if we check the measurement again, the brightness, as you can see, this is automatic. It will adjust the screen display brightness based on what lighting you have around you, around the device. So I do have an LED here right in the middle of my camera. So we're just basing the light on that to adjust the screen display on the devices. So we're getting on the S10, the 6T, we're like 3942 here, 33, 42, and so forth. Now the S10, of course, we're getting much higher reading here. Okay. All right. So that's pretty much it, guys. Just a little quick screen display brightness test during low light or in the dark. I just want to show you guys that both devices are pretty good during nighttime. You do have all your settings to adjust it to the lowest settings so that you don't get blinded at nighttime. And yeah, both devices are excellent, guys. So there's no device better than the other when it comes to using your device during nighttime. All right, so that's pretty much it, guys. Once again, thank you for watching my video. Until then, I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.